Welcome to the very first episode of Behind the Scenes. What you're going to see is everything that happens behind the scenes. So it's going to be random clips, but this is the first episode, so stay tuned and check it out. We're on our way to Bunnings to get this paint gun. It's a primer gun. Now I've been told they're like $20 and it's just going to save me a lot of drama. So instead of having to put primer and base and clear all through the one gun, I'm just going to get a primer gun. So I can just put primer in it and just have that dedicated to primer. And also my orbital decided to go and kill itself. So now we're on our way to Bunnings. We are probably going to get a new Orbi, a couple of sanding pads and a primer gun. So let's go and grab that. The other day when I went to Bunnings, I've got to show you what have we got here. We got the Ozido suction fed spray gun. Not bad. Bit of thinners. Had to buy another orbital. Bit of sandpaper. Opted for the electrical one just because the air compressor is just small. So let's get this and it will be just constant and I won't have to worry about an air compressor. A couple of mixing cups and some tape and some more tape. That's what I bought. Mate, it's the twin drain.
It's the twin drain.
You've got the twin drain going on.
Twin drain and new oil.
That's beautiful. That's what you want.
After working on cars for so long, you'd think I'd be able to know how much oil goes in your race car. Apparently not.
Project here! The same three on the VL! Let us sell it for $5, bro! Yeah! Love it!
What a surprise, it's raining once again. It's been raining for like 2 weeks. I wish it would just go away. This belt has decided to absolutely shit the bed. Now I've got to fix it. It's an alternator belt. And yep, aircon belt looks cooked. Time to fix it. Well, I got the new belt on, but I'll tell you what's really annoying when you go all the way out and you buy parts and then you come home and you go, oh, I need another belt. That's so annoying. I'll have to go and get another one tomorrow. What are you doing then? Just took him to have a little bath and now he's all excited, aren't you, buddy? Eh?
Don't get your shoes wet.
Woohoo! Chef. Nice job, mate. Nice job. Super high tide today. It's been on the rod fucking 30 seconds, mate. You can have a go for a while. Oh, he's coming up. He's coming up. There he is down there. Here he comes. Look at the size of him, mate. He's got some size in him. Bring him up. There we go. Alright, I'm just going to get the tail right. Let's find it out. Oh, we got a serious.
Boyfriend window now, honey. I get your boyfriend window now, honey.
Sleep. Like, whoa. What are you doing, man? I'll bring you out for a bit of spin. It's been a long time since I've taken it for a drive. She's looking better than ever. Sounding pretty tough too. Ooh. Doesn't that sound good? She's out. Going to take the gearbox off to replace a little seal. It was a lot easier than we thought. Just pop the shafts out, drop everything off, lift it out. All of this because if you look down here, see the, where is it? Up here, inside there, leaking from the torque converter seal. So to change that, you got to pull the whole motor out, which is ridiculous, but almost done, and then put it back in. That's the seal. That was the problem. It's the dog count. Well, it's been a few days. When I say a few days, like a week or so, and I still have not got around to putting this second belt on in front of this alternator. So I'm thinking now's the time to get the belt and put it on. Pain in the bum that was. To get that belt on, I had to take the aircon belt off. Oh, what's going on with the camera? Yeah, I had to take that. Jesus. Had to take that aircon belt off. That one. To get this new one on. That one. But it's on. Thank God that's done. You. To remember. Ran out of talent.
R.I.P.
Oh my God.
Fuck that.
God, that's munted.
Is that what happens when you don't know how to drive?
Bro, he ran out of fucking gas.
He doesn't know how to drive.
You know what you
He
do?
ran out of talent.
You know what you do is you come into a roundabout doing about 150 and you struggle to pull up, and yeah, that's what happens when you drive a Commodore like that.
Far out. A little bit dirty. Dirt and crap all over me forehead, but yeah, there you have it. That's basically what's been happening behind the scenes. Moving on forward, we've had a bit of a delay in lots of products and things like that. I tried to buy a new spray gun and I've waited a couple of weeks and it never turned up, so that's great. So I had to order another one, put in a complaint and hopefully get my money back. We're having issues with the primer. It's a long story, cut it short. We're going to go with a 2K primer just because the one that I got is just not cutting it. So what that is on order as well, and we've got Christmas coming up, so you know, I don't think any more videos are going to be coming out until after Christmas or during the holidays at least. And yeah, that's basically what's been happening. And if you like this sort of stuff, leave a comment, leave a thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one.